And more news coming in at this point in time. This is a briefing that the Prime Minister is in at this point in time, and the briefing is being done by the National Security Advisor, Ajit Doval, on the current developments as we speak. And you see Ajit Doval meeting the Prime Minister at his residence is what we know. Going straight to Piyush. Piyush, of course, a time when our leadership is looking at these developments very, very closely, and hence this briefing from the National Security Advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. As we are speaking, this meeting is underway at 7 Lok Kalyan Marga, where NSA Ajit Doval arrived a few minutes back, and Doval is briefing Prime Minister about the current developments. Remember that since the successful Operation Sindoor, we are seeing massive escalation at border, massive ceasefire violations are being done by Pakistan, shelling is being done by Pakistan. And looking at the current scenario, this briefing is very important. We also know as to how during the entire course of action which was also being carried out by defense forces, at the time also Ajit Doval was briefing Prime Minister about each and every development. Throughout the night, PM was being briefed by Mr. Doval, and after that, on the next day, which means yesterday also, Doval held meeting with PM Narendra Modi. And as we are speaking, this meeting is very crucial as NSA Ajit Doval is briefing Prime Minister about the current situation, the kind of steps which the government has so far taken, and the current developments, those are also there at the border areas.
Well, absolutely. You know, Piyush, this also comes at a time when, as we know, we're expecting some kind of a response from Pakistan. There's tension at the LOC, with Pakistan doing what it can to keep LOC hot, isn't it? A further retaliation is also a possibility that India is looking at.
Well, absolutely. One thing has been made very clear, Sneha, that if there is any kind of misadventure attempt by Pakistan, then India is going to react strongly, and strongest possible actions will be taken against Pakistan. Yesterday itself, it was said by the armed forces that we have just targeted the camps, the terrorist camps. Civilians have not been attacked, military facilities have not been targeted, but still, if Pakistan does anything which can create further tensions, and if it escalates things, then India will react strongly. And that is why, amidst all the kind of statements coming in from Pakistan, this meeting between NSA Ajit Doval and PM Narendra Modi stands very crucial.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting us those details, absolutely correct about what he's spoken about, given that this meeting comes at a time when India is looking at these developments very closely, monitoring the situation at the LOC, with the National Security Advisor now briefing Prime Minister Modi.